Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tisia and you're tuned into VIO with Thysiamore. So guys, I'm super excited. You guys remember I reviewed a new product in my last video that I did, or my last video that I did, and I promised to make more videos for you guys about the product. Now, I promised you guys a video talking about if the product works for menstrual cramp. I already do have a video where I unboxed and I tested the product. I will leave a link right up here so you guys can check that out. Okay, so be sure to check out the video. It will a lot more about the introduction of this product I'm about to tell you guys about again. So I promised you guys that if it works for menstrual cramp, I will definitely make a video talking to you guys about it, and that is what this video is all about. Yay! Okay. That. So I used product over the week. I experienced my menstrual period towards that time, like during the week, and because I was already taking it, I decided to try it out and see. I test to see if it will work for my menstrual cramp, because I usually have like really severe menstrual cramp. Come on closer. Oh, that's too close. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this product right here, SUPERLIFE STC30, erased, I mean literally erased the sound of menstrual cramp. So instead, okay, if you guys are like me and you don't like exercises, you don't do exercises to keep up with your body routine, eliminate menstrual cramp when it's that time, like 60 push-ups, like 60 press-ups, or is that 60 warm-ups, or what's that? Damn! Oh, whatever it is, if you guys cannot do it, I guess sit-ups, 60 sit-ups, like really? Okay.
Get some help.
If you know you cannot do, equal to the tax, go grab this. Grab this. It's like killing 100 birds with one stone. Oh God! What? I mean, it doesn't just work for menstrual cramp. It works for a lot of things, like all over the body. It's going to go into every part of the body, and whatsoever that is there that it's it's not supposed to be there, or it's being a nuisance, like erase its name, like erase it from your body, like seriously. Okay, so buying this product is like killing 100 birds with one solid stone. I'm flying. I wish I was a product. So we're gonna jump right into my experience and how I used it and all that blah blah blah. We are going to talk about that in full details. I will be right back. Okay, so I took the product within the course of the week. I promised you I was going to do a video, so I decided to start the medication as soon as possible, and I did that well. You guys will not believe, like, that mosquito is biting me here. What's the problem? Okay, so after taking the product, I started experiencing my period. By the way, I was still taking the product consistently with my period. It was still on. Alright, so after taking it, I experienced something different. Now, this product went into my body. It did a lot of cleansing, rejuvenating, regenerating. That's what it does. It goes to the stem cell, goes to your body and the root, right? And cleanses and rejuvenates it, just purging off whatever that should not be there, that causes sickness and whatsoever. So it just deep cleanses the whole body and flushes it out. Luckily, as women, we have the opportunity to bring out all kinds of dirt at the end of the month, that time, and then cause pain and all that, causes cramps, and then it causes to, oh my God, I feel pain. So after taking this, I noticed that I had this this cleansing. I felt it, I saw it, My blood flow was different. It was, guys, it was darker than normal. Then I knew, oh well, this product really works. Like it does what it says it does. Like it just flushed it, it just cleansed everything and flushed it out with the blood. This is for a couple of days. The blood flow was really dark and very thick. I mean it. So then I knew, oh, this will work, and I didn't feel any pain at all. No menstrual cramp. I'm not moving normal. I was moving. The only thing is that I had heavy flow because obviously working, and then it was, you know, cleansing out a lot of things from the body. That's literally all. But I was so free. I felt so light. I mean, I felt just so wonderful, guys. So wonderful, you know. So it did a lot of cleansing, and then the dirt and all that came with the blood. After 2 days, you know, the blood started clearing up gradually, and on the 4th day it came up really dark again. I was like, wow, for real? Like for real? No joke. I mean, no jokes at all. And from then I started feeling really light. Like I feel less stress. I feel a lot of things about my body has changed, you know, guys. I mean, I saw it, I'm like, wow, this is real. I haven't even finished 1 pack. I have finished my 1 pack. It's almost finished, but it's not yet done. And I've seen this great result, and I'm like, oh wow, this product may not be overhyped, you know. It may not really be, you know, songs. I think it really works. Like it really does what it says it does. So no jokes. If it didn't work, I won't be telling you about it because, you know, I don't like blabbing. Seriously, I do not like blabbing. Okay, so that is what it did for me. You know, menstrual cramp off, it cleansed, like it deep cleansed my whole body. I felt it, you know. I brought out a lot of things which you guys could experience. By the way, if you feel irritated by what I'm saying, you just have to cope with it. Okay, so yeah, you guys sure to watch my previous video. It has a lot of information about the product, and also be sure to check out their website. I'll leave a link. You guys check their website out. They have every information that you might want to know. Did I talk about the fact that you could make money from this product? Oh yes, I did, and I promised to make a video concerning that, which I will do in the future. I might decide to just wake up tomorrow and start doing the video. Oh, I'm gonna do that when I get my cash, when I get paid, so I can show you guys, you know. So I'm gonna make a video about how you could make money from this product. I will do that soon, but we'll be making more videos because in my previous video I talked about this product. The reason I got the product actually was for my hair loss and my hormonal acne, why I got the product in the first place. And so I will still do more videos in the future with regards to that, to know how well it worked. And so you guys remember, I told you guys that depending on the reason you're taking the product, you need 2 packs, you may need 3 packs, but also I'm definitely not in the position to like tell you guys how many packs you need because I don't know what you're going through. And secondly, I think the website would be in the best position, you know, to tell you guys that, or the you know, assistant on the website, you know, someone who could assist you, someone you could talk to. I think they'll be in a better position to tell you all that. So you can just check the website. But if you want to purchase the product, you could, you know, reply in the comment section, you know, talk to me about it. I will lead you to how you can get the product done. So guys, that brings us to the end video. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Okay? Do subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you'd like to see in the future. I will see you in my next video. Bye. My name is Thysiamore and I'm the creative director of Thysiamore Empire.